Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to activate Starlink. Before you can set up your service, you'll need to order a Starlink kit from the official website. Just select your country, and during checkout you'll see the different kit options, like the residential light with 250 megabits per second and residential with 400 plus megabits per second. Choose the one that fits your needs and complete your purchase. Once your kit arrives, you can move on to activation. Go back to the official Starlink website and tap the three lines in the upper right corner. From there, select Sign In and then choose Activate your Starlink. Inside your kit, you'll find a Starlink identifier. Enter that number in the first field. In the next field, type in the email address you want linked to your Starlink account. If you already have an existing account, just choose Existing Account. If this is your first time setting one up, select New Account. After submitting your details, Starlink will begin activating your service, and that's it. Once your kit is activated, you'll be ready to complete the setup and get your Starlink running.